Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX Surf. So this is Sea Ray's newest model to the fleet. You can see, staying true to the SDX roots, we've got this nice, large, deep, squared off bow in the front. We've got sea deck all along the top right here, and this does house your dedicated anchor storage as well as a bow ladder. It does have a windlass, so it is powered on there. You've also got a front spray down over here on the starboard side of the bow. Moving on back a little bit, you can see we've got this walkway that is a little more towards the port side here. It's a brand new body style for the 270 SDX. You can see you do have your wind dam that you're able to open right here and kind of block that off, as well as close this windshield, and it all has this nice uniform curved look on there. Alrighty, continuing to move on up, you can see we've got some storage on the port side here. We've got our cover in there. It's also where you've got a dedicated spot for your anchor light. And then over here, right underneath the helm, is actually where they place the head on this boat. It's a nice big head with some cushions, so you can have a little berth area in there, somewhere to get out of the sun, maybe cool down, put the kids down for a nap, something like that. And if you're worried about climbing in and out of this thing, you're able to retract that top there, keeps that space clear for your head when you're climbing out of there. Over here on the port side, once again, you can see you've got the main head unit for your Fusion stereo system. This boat does have 6 speakers in the cockpit. Lots of sound coming from that stereo system, playing your tunes out on the water. You've also got a lock and glove compartment over here. Moving on over to the helm a little bit, you can see we do have dual SIMRADs on here. It's a super sleek look for the dash, along with your manual switches down here. Controls everything you need on board. You can see right now we've got this SIMRAD featuring Sea Ray's surf screen. So that's how you control all of your surfing equipment there. So you've got your gates, your tabs, your ballast, whether you're going to be surfing on the left or the right, that's all going to be controlled right in that SIMRAD Sea Ray surf screen there. Over here on the right SIMRAD, you can see we're featuring the chart plotter on there. Just another feature that you get having those dual SIMRADs. You're able to put just about anything you want while you're underway on this boat on either of these screens. So going on to the entertaining area a little bit, over here on the port side, you do have this lounger that flips back and forth, so you can decide how you're wanting to sit. You know, if you're anchored out, you want to have more of a round area, you can move this forward, got that space. If you're underway and you want to face forward, you got this bolster as well to make sure that whoever's riding on this side is going to be as comfortable as possible. Got a nice big captain's chair over here with that bolster as well. One huge feature of this boat is the amount of storage that you do have in 27 feet of space. Lots of storage underneath all of these cushions here. Got tons of electronics on board as well. Cup holders with lights, and you've got 4 wireless charging pads on here. So 2 on this side here, 1 on this side, and then 1 up here for the captain as well. You can see we're getting plenty of shade from our nice power tower from Sea Ray here. It's a solid metal frame there. It's got these nice panels to give it a sleek look. Matches the rest of the boat there. And like I said, it is powered, so with the flip of the switch, it'll just fold right down for you. It's also got 2 nice stainless wakeboard racks, so you can store your boards. They do flip in and out as well. We'll move back just a little bit more. Take this chance to show you this sun pad in the back here. You lift this up and you're able to rock that back, and you have a nice lay down pad. It's nice and big. Keeps you in the sun if you want to do some sunbathing. Maybe you're anchored out at the sandbar or something like that. And then up under here, you can see this boat is powered by a nice 350 horsepower 6.2 MerCruiser V8. It's a beautiful motor. It gives you plenty of power behind this boat to do just about anything you want to do while you're out on the water. As you can see, you do have this nice sea deck flooring. This is an upgrade for this boat, but that is glued down. It makes it super comfortable, very absorbent, completely non-slick, anything like that. Also on the back sun pad, you've also got a fusion controller for your stereo, so when you're using this sun pad and laying down, you don't have to go back in the boat to control your radio. You've also got a transom shower featured on the back here as well. If you got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.